What is dicalcium phosphate? Dicalcium phosphate, DCP, or calcium hydrogen phosphate, is a white, odorless crystalline powder primarily used as a source of calcium and phosphorus. It's widely utilized in industries such as food, pharmaceuticals, animal feed, and fertilizers. Uses of dicalcium phosphate. In the food industry, DCP serves as a source of calcium and phosphorus in foods like cereals and baked goods. It's also used as a food additive for leavening, dough conditioning, and stabilization. In the pharmaceutical industry, DCP acts as a terbulking agent and is commonly found in calcium supplements. For animal feed, it plays an essential role in promoting bone growth and development in animals. In fertilizers, DCP is used as a slow-release fertilizer to provide calcium and phosphorus to plants. It also has other applications in dental products, cosmetics, and some industrial sectors. How to start a dicalcium phosphate production business? To start a dicalcium phosphate production business, begin with market research and a feasibility study to assess demand, competition, and profitability. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits from relevant authorities and secure funding through loans, investors, or government grants. Design and construct the production plant according to safety and environmental standards, then procure the required machinery and equipment. Hire and train a skilled workforce, including chemical engineers, technicians, and operators. Establish reliable sources for raw materials such as phosphoric acid and lime, and begin production while establishing sales channels. Continuously monitor and improve production processes to maintain efficiency and adapt to market changes. Market demand and opportunities. The global dicalcium phosphate market is driven by several factors, including growing demand for animal feed due to the rising global population and increased demand for meat and dairy products. The expansion of the food and beverage industry is another significant driver, as processed and fortified foods become more popular. The pharmaceutical industry is also contributing to growth, particularly through the demand for dietary supplements. Additionally, rising awareness of the nutritional importance of calcium and phosphorus in human and animal health is further fueling market growth. Market size and growth. The global market for dicalcium phosphate is projected to grow at a CAGR of 4 to 6% from 2024 to 2030. This growth is primarily driven by increasing demand in sectors such as animal feed, food, and pharmaceuticals. Key market trends. There is a growing focus on sustainability in the production of dicalcium phosphate, with more emphasis on eco-friendly and sustainable production methods in agriculture and animal husbandry. Ongoing technological advancements in research and development are making the production process more efficient and cost-effective. Product innovation is also taking place, with new formulations and applications being developed to meet specific market needs. Market drivers. The demand for dicalcium phosphate is mainly driven by the growing global population and the increased need for food and animal products. The rising awareness of the importance of calcium and phosphorus nutrition in both human and animal health is another key driver. Additionally, the expansion of the animal feed industry due to the growing demand for meat, dairy, and poultry products, as well as the growth of the pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industries, is increasing the demand for dicalcium phosphate in supplements and formulations. Manufacturing process. The most common method of producing dicalcium phosphate involves reacting phosphoric acid with calcium hydroxide, lime, under controlled conditions. Other methods may involve reactions with tricalcium phosphate. To produce DCP, large-scale reactors are required to carry out the chemical reactions, and mixers ensure uniform product quality. Filters and separators are used to separate the DCP product from the reaction mixture, while dryers help dry the dicalcium phosphate crystals. After drying, grinders are used to grind the product to the desired particle size, and packaging equipment stores the final product. Factors of plant location. When considering plant location, proximity to raw materials such as phosphoric acid and lime can significantly reduce transportation costs. Adequate infrastructure, including a reliable power supply, water, and transportation facilities, is essential for smooth operations. Compliance with environmental regulations is necessary to obtain permits and ensure sustainable operations. Finally, Access to a skilled workforce with expertise in chemical engineering and process operations is crucial for high production standards. Why consider this industry? Dicalcium phosphate has a steady demand across multiple industries, ensuring consistent market opportunities. It is an essential product in various applications, including food, pharmaceuticals, and animal feed, contributing to ongoing demand. Compared to other chemical industries, the initial investment for a dicalcium phosphate production plant is relatively lower, making it a more accessible option for business ventures. Ready to build the future? Then let us assist you. We can support your business with 30+ experience in supporting business with detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, market research reports, equipment and raw material specifications, process flow diagrams and manufacturing details, complete project financials and profitability analysis. Not just these, but we also support you with custom reports that's made for your needs. If you need to know more or in detail, you can contact us through the phone number or email provided in the description. If you liked this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for next video.